Life becomes a mess as you grow old. So many things to notice, grasp and make sense of. When you finally get to rest your bones, you ponder on the things you think you're doing wrong. Hey you, can't you see that I am lost too? Lost too. Hey you, can't you see that I am lost too? I'm lost too. I'll put my trust in time. I'll put my trust in time. I'll put my trust in time. I'll put well, I've been struggling to find myself when I would rather be anybody else. Tonight I'll lie awake and set myself to hell for being who I am and telling what I tell, telling what I tell. But you help me fall asleep, make me feel like I'm worth something. Give amen definition to sharpen up my blurry vision. An open ear and honest voice, a soothing tone to ease the noise. No cure to all my sad thoughts, but a reminder I too deserve to be loved. Well, I've been bathing in a puddle of self-doubt when one other's happiness succeeds to bomb me out. And I compare myself to folks I barely know. That's just the kind of place where insecurity likes to grow. And have I turned into the guy I used to pity and despise, because I don't take any actions to make something of my life, with no perspective of a future, no real goal that's in my hand. I trade the will to build on something for drinking beers at home instead. I'm so anxious of the years to come, a thought that makes me spin, dodging every fucking question that has to do with friends or dreams. But there's an orb of light in every cave, it's cliche, but it's true. And I'm trying to stay positive, even when it's just for you. 'Cause you help me fall asleep, make me feel like I'm worth something. Give amen definition to sharpen up my blurry vision. An open ear and honest voice, a soothing tone to ease the noise. No cure to all my sad thoughts, but a reminder I too deserve to belong. Rays of sunlight illuminate my room, leaving in memories a melancholy gloom. From this height, it's such a wide view. It's that past in the sense that I crave when my days are blue. It always comes around when the leaves begin to dry. Orange tones and shivering bones make me reflect on time. My memories like autumn leaves, they whirl down in my mind. Nostalgia can be such a blinding light that makes so